Hello, I hope you are well. Today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be continuing working on two-step equations, and I'm going to go over this with you. Here's your go formative, and it's just looking at your inverse operations, which is the opposite. So if it's adding, the inverse operation will be subtraction and vice versa. If you would have me for period 1, we're going to start doing, we can't do a color by number because everything has to be virtual. However, I found something similar, so I'm hoping it's kind of fun. But I cannot think. I apologize. If you would have me for period 1, you're going to click here. If you would have me for period 7, you're going to click here. And once you click that, it's going to open up to, let me get rid of this. It's going to open up and it will look like this. I made a copy of it. So this is what you will be seeing. The first thing you want to do is you want to go up here where it says 100%. You want to click on that and you want to scroll down to 50%. This way you can see the whole screen. So the directions are, we're going to solve 22 problems. And when you type in your answers, which I will show you, you want no spaces. You just want to type the answer in and I'll show you why. And then if you get them correct, you will see a picture. It's going to show up. So we want to go to number 1 right here. So number 2 is over here. It's hid. See, there we go. Let's get rid of that. But yeah, you want to click number 1. This is what we want. And so 14 minus 1 equals 55. So you would click on that. 14 minus 1 equals 55. So I'm going to do this as an example with you. Oh, I don't want to post it. Here we go. Oh, goodness. Okay. All right. Goodbye. I don't know why it's there. 14 minus 1. What was it? 14 minus 1 equals 55. All right. So 14 x, that's important, minus 1 equals 55. Okay, so 14 minus 1 equals 55. So two-step equations, whatever number has the letter, leave it alone. Do not touch it. You can't do anything until you get rid of the number that's by itself. So the way this reads is 14 times x minus 1 equals 55. So the first thing we need to do is the inverse operation, which means opposite. We need to do the opposite of minus 1. What's the opposite of minus? It's plus. So we're going to plus 1 here. I'm going to draw a line. Because whatever, these are two sides. Whatever we do to one side, we have to do to the other. So plus 1 here. Draw my line. This gets rid of that, so it's gone. Cancels out, leaving us with 14 times x equals 56, because 55 plus 1 is 56. Well, 14 times x equals 56. The opposite or inverse operation of multiplication is division. So I'm going to need to divide, this looks like division, both sides by 14. 56 divided by 14, go up here. Six divided by 14 equals 4. Over here, x equals 4. I'm going to check just to make sure. 4 times 14, 14 times 4 minus 1 equals 55. 14 times 4 minus 1, here, I'm going to make it smaller, equals 5. Let's find out. Move my head up here. 14 times 4 minus 1 equals 55. So x does equal 4. Perfect. Now I'm going to go here, move my head back. This will put myself down there. And I'm going to go back here, and I'm going to just double click it, hit 4, pop off. And by doing that, if it's right, here it's working, so give it a minute, this is going to change. I do want to go over some of these other ones that are a little more difficult. So, look, see, we're starting to get a picture. So, the next one, you're going to do the same exact way. You're going to minus 11 from both sides. So whatever 17 minus 11 is going to give you your answer. This one here, you need to subtract 7 from both sides. So 7 minus 7. Here, I'll do this one. X divided by 5 plus 7 equals 10. Get rid of this. What was it? X divided by 5 plus 7 equals 10. So with this, remember the number that's with the letter, we can't do anything. So we need to get rid of 7. Or 2 sides. Because the opposite of addition is subtraction. That's going to tell us that x divided by 5 equals 3. Well, if this is division, to get rid of 5, I need to do multiplication. And these parentheses represent multiplication. And I have to multiply both sides by 5, because it's going to cancel out, leaving us with x equals 15. Well, 15 divided by 5 is 3. And 3 plus 7 is 10. So this is correct. So x does equal 15. Let's go over here. Put in 15. Okay. I'm going to try one like this now. There's more. All right, so this one does look a little trickier. X minus 12 divided by 2 equals 2. Let's try this one, number 8. The way this looks is it's going to go x minus 12 divided by 2 equals 2. So just like before, the x minus 12, that's all together. So we need to leave that alone. We need to get rid of this 2. Well, I know I'm dividing. The opposite of division is multiplication. So I need to multiply both sides by 2. That's going to cancel this out, leaving us with x minus 12 equals 4. Well, x is by itself now, but I still have to get rid of 12. Right now I'm subtracting 12. The opposite of subtraction is addition. So I'm going to add 12 to both sides. That's going to cancel that out, leaving me with x equals 16. Let's go find out. We got some more there. Same here. You're going to multiply both sides by 5. And then it's going to be x plus 4 equals 25. Rewatch this video with the examples. And that is all we're doing. We're going to do this whole thing. It is worth 15 points. It is a lot of work. And yeah, you're going to get an image here, kind of like your color by numbers. So here, 3/4 x minus 1 equals 5. You're going to add 1 to both sides. So we 3/4 x equals 6. And because you're doing 3/4 times x, it'll be, you have to divide. So let me know if you need any help with that, and I can help you, okay? And we can do a Google Meet but just keep watching these, okay? All right. Hope you're well. Bye.